Hello guys, my name is Karkos Miel, the former student from Central University, Uganda. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the working hours in Microsoft Excel. Of course, I'm using Excel 210s. This video was requested by my colleagues who was with me, and also he was requesting me to send to him somewhere where he is working, wanting to do the specific things in Microsoft Excel. So the only thing I want you to do is how to calculate. Let me be specific here. How to calculate the working hours in Microsoft, in MS, which is stand for Microsoft Access, MS, Microsoft Excel. The only things we have to do, we have to come back for the format later on, since we are in hurry. We wanted to do this important issue for calculating days. What we want to design is to know the dates that we are going to use, the day that people can go to work, because we have from Monday up to Saturday. Sometimes some angels, they can finish on Friday, they go home. But some angels who are in the field, sometimes they can work up to on Saturday. So what do I want to do here? I want to know even the time in, and also I wanted to know even the times out. I want you even to know the working time. And also, you don't even forget, I want even to know the line time. The line times. When are the staff going for lunch? Line time. And also, I wanted to know even overtime. Sometimes one of the students can cover for one of the staff can cover for other staff when they are absent, maybe from sickness, different problems somewhere there. You can cover for him, but this one should be counted as your overtimes. If your colleague didn't come on time or has some problem at home, there the total work, so working hour also. So from here, maybe we can start on Monday. Of course, we can start on Monday. What I need to do here, you just click on this one. When the cursor make a cross, that means we have to copy from Saturday, Thursday, Friday, and also Saturday from here. So what we want to arrange here, let us go to our format. Just click format the cells in a simple way. What do I want to do here? I want you to do the one. No, I don't want to do anything. I have to customize. Not that. I have to go to general. Anyway, you can't even waste our time in this one. So I need some. As I said before, that we have to come back for new formats or to arrange it later on. Then we have to come and draw out. So simple. So these are the indicators. We call this one as indicators that we are going to see, that we are going to calculate them. Then we hope all everyone is following. Then I hope everyone is following one time. So let us say our work, it is 8 p.m. Okay. Also is here. It's 8 p.m. in Eberi. 8 p.m. Let me say sometimes people may have to come at 9:30 based on the issue that are the different issue out there. And also we can say, we can copy this one and paste. It's no problem. You can try it. You are very quick. We have to manage our time. So we need to know what are the time people are leaving the work. In the evening time, of course. This one can also be at 4 p.m. Again, this is full. By 4 p.m. people can leave the work and go home. So we can press this one. We can press this one. Sometime we can press this. Just to summarize our work. Okay, if it is 4 p.m., people leave the work. Sometimes people can leave 2 minutes. It's no problem. And also 3 here, and then 3. They may have even leave at 2. Because on Saturday I have to leave at 2. What do we want to do from here? What we want to do it from here, we have these indicators left. Okay, so from these indicators we want to know the working time. Sometimes people have to come at 8. Okay, but we have to calculate this one by using column B, by using B and C. We have to calculate B and C to make life easy for us, so that they can give us what we want. So we already say equal signs. What we want to do from here, we have to say 8, 6, C6 minus C minus B6. So when we enter this one, it gives us. For this arrangement, you just draw it down like this. You are done with this working time. This is working time. Of course, when people come at 7, this will maybe 7 hours, 8 hours, because it start at 3, and also here it start at 4. They start at 9:30. It may be people can go to 6 hours, and also 7 hours, 8 hours, and 6 hours. From here, we may have line time. Okay, we may have line time, which is at 1 sometime. Very fast. So, which is at 1 sometimes. So this is our line times. So we wanted to know, when people are leaving at once, what are they coming back? Maybe people can come around 2 sometimes. That is overtime. We can say when overtime should be, if they are coming, the flying with advance, the overtime may be, let me hope, for example, you work for 2 hours, you covered for 2 hours, then we have 1 hour, then we have even for 0 hour, then we have even for 0 hour, then we have even 3 or 2 hour, then we have 3 hour. That is overtime. So what we need to do from here? What we need to do is to calculate the total. When we are calculating total, guys, we are not just adding from this. People may have to expect this one, that you add from this one up to here, so you get the total. No, that is wrong, my friend. What we need to do is to say equal signs. What do we need to do here? We have to say the working hour minus, you get me, minus line time, you get me, plus overtime. Then you press enter. Just simple like that. So this will bring us all the answers when we're calculating the hours. Okay, that is it. So now we are done with calculating the hours. People who are following me will just follow me one by one. I mean, maybe I'm very fast, but I don't mean it. It's my nature. But sorry for that. Hope you can enjoy this video. Let me hope that we shall catch up for next video one day, one time. And this is what my friend has told me, that he needs this one to be done in just only 1 hour, and then I sent to him online, so whatever. So using Flash. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't hesitate to comment on this. As I say, we have to come for the format. Let us mix. It's just simple thing, I know. I don't know if I have to make a border outside or inside. No, a border outside. Like this. Just like this. Go to ceiling style. I wanna make this. I wanna make this. I wanna make this. Okay. Now. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't hesitate to comment or like on my YouTube channel. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.